Hi everyone, today we're gonna make football. For this project, we will need white, brown. You also need Play-Doh, 3D printing pen, and tape. So let's get started. First, we're gonna use Play-Doh to make it look like a football. And after you're done, you put the tape around it. So after you finish, it should look like this. Now we're gonna start working on the body. Today we're gonna use brown. First, we're gonna make head of the ball. After you're done, I'm gonna take it out. Now this is head of the football. Now repeat this step and make another head. Now after we have two pieces, we're gonna connect them together. Okay, now we finished base body of the football. We're gonna start doing the decoration on the top here. Okay, now we're gonna start doing the white line. In order for us to do the straight line, I'm gonna use masking tape. But if you can keep it straight, then you don't need this. Okay, I'm gonna set my speed on 4. Now we have our football. If you like my video, please give me a big thumb up and subscribe for more videos like this. If you like this video, you might like my other videos on my channel. Be sure to check out my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!